Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today we're planning in my wellness planner, which is the black and white classic size happy planner. I am going to be continuing with the same sticker book, so seasonal fall from the happy planner. And what I wanted to do is grab a whole bunch of those doodles that they have for the fall and use them right in the middle of the boxes. So I'll show you what I mean in just a second. I think this one will be super simple. So I'm adding an umbrella, some boots, and so on. So as I'm doing this, thank you so much for coming back to my channel if you're coming back, and if you are new, welcome. I really hope you like it here, and if you do, don't forget to subscribe. So I'm gonna add some mugs, some boots, all the fall things. So I'm just gonna make the spread very full. Look at these hedgehogs, aren't they adorable? So that's kind of what I'm doing, just filling in the spread little by little with making sure that the colors are balanced and we have all the colors across the board. So some yellows, some greens, reds, orange, browns, all of that. I just want to make sure that it's all very balanced. And this one will be quick, like I said, because I love doing these spreads that are quick and fun and don't take too long. And I don't know where my ruler is, so I'm going to be using this piece of cardboard to kind of cut my stickers off. So I don't want them to be sticking out. I want everything to be contained inside of those boxes. So I'm just peeling up stickers to make sure everything fits. Like so. And we're gonna do the side. Perfect. And then that side, and then the bottom, and then the other page. And that's not the end. This is not over. I still will have to do quite a few things. I'm just doing it little by little to see what it looks like. I haven't done one of those in back spreads in quite a while, so I thought it would be kind of fun for fall to just add everything at the same time. And then the ends of the cutouts I still use in the spread and just add them to different things. This one is tricky because it's right on the punch, so I have to lift it. Okay. And then I can add it right up here and it will look perfectly fine. So then I can just cut off the edges and then remove those like so. And I'm just adding these pieces back to my planner if I can recover them without tearing them apart. So okay, let's look, because I know there's some outline ones as well. I'm gonna add this huge shopping list for this week for Thanksgiving. And I'm gonna add some pies, because come on, pie, right? Who doesn't love pie on Thanksgiving? And I think I'm gonna add this beautiful Thanksgiving, Happy Thanksgiving rose gold sign right onto Thursday and Friday. There we go. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add cooking time to Wednesday. Time to cook. Okay, so like that. And again, I'm keeping it so very, very simple. I really like simple spreads that kind of shine. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take those outline little stickers and add them into the spread to make it a little bit different and more interesting. And I'll have two separate kinds of stickers in here. Okay, few more. I just need them to be small. Some of them are way too large to add, so I'm just being very careful about sizing to make sure that they fit. Okay, and then I'm gonna add some of these tiny little gold flags to really emphasize how beautiful this is. And the only thing left is make a few bullet points for myself to track my food intake and movement and so on. So I'm just gonna freehand them on. I love the petite bullet points once in a while. I think it doesn't take away from the spread. So I'm just gonna go ahead and make those like so. And that's it. Thank you so much for spending time with me today, and happy Thanksgiving. I'll see you soon for another plan with me. Bye.